Welcome to the era of cutting-edge technology where Apple's iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max redefine the smartphone experience. These trailblazing devices are chock full of exclusive features, but one that particularly stands out is the ability to shoot spatial video. This revolutionary feature is set to transform the way we record and view videos. Spatial videos, recorded via the main and ultra-wide cameras on the iPhone 15 Pro phones, offer an immersive 1080p resolution experience at 30 frames per second. And the best part? The latest iOS 17.2 Beta 2 release has added support for this groundbreaking feature. What's more, these spatial videos can be viewed on the much-anticipated Apple Vision Pro headset, set to launch in early 2024. This compatibility adds a whole new dimension to the smartphone experience, promising to make it even more exciting and engaging. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the spatial video feature, a game-changer in the world of smartphone technology. The spatial video feature of the iPhone 15 Pro series is a leap forward in technological innovation. But what exactly does it entail? Imagine stepping into a world where the videos you capture are not just two-dimensional representations, but immersive experiences. This is the promise of the spatial video feature. It's not just about recording a video, it's about capturing a moment in time in all its depth and richness. The spatial video feature turns your iPhone 15 Pro into a recording studio capable of producing videos akin to a virtual reality experience. It leverages the main and ultra-wide cameras of the iPhone 15 Pro series to record these videos, capturing every detail in stunning 1080p resolution at a smooth 30 frames per second. This ensures your videos are clear, crisp, and full of life. But what makes spatial video truly stand out is how it captures depth and space. It's not just a flat image, it's a three-dimensional scene that you can explore. Imagine being able to move around in the video, to see things from different angles, to feel like you're truly part of the scene. That's the magic of spatial video. And let's not forget about the storage requirements. Apple has been thoughtful in this regard, ensuring that a minute of spatial video capture will only take up around 130 megabytes of storage. This means you can record plenty of immersive videos without worrying too much about running out of space. In the latest iOS 17.2 Beta 2 release, Apple has added support for spatial video recording. Users on this beta build can head to Settings, then Camera, then Format, and select the Spatial Video for Vision Pro option. Once this is done, a Vision Pro toggle will appear in the video section of the camera app. Now that we understand what spatial video is, it's time to learn how to use it. So buckle up and get ready to dive into the world of spatial video, where every moment you capture becomes a whole new experience. Navigating the spatial video feature is simple and intuitive, designed for maximum user convenience. It's a breeze to set up, and we're here to guide you through the process. First, ensure that you're on the latest iOS beta build. This is crucial for accessing the spatial video feature. You can easily check this by going to your iPhone settings and looking at the software update section. Once you've confirmed that you're on the right build, it's time to head over to your camera settings. From the settings menu, navigate to the camera option, and then proceed to Format. Here you'll find the Spatial Video for Vision Pro option. Select it to enable spatial video recording. Remember, this feature is exclusive to the iPhone 15 Pro models and allows you to record spatial videos via the main and ultra-wide cameras in 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second. Do note, a minute of spatial video capture will consume around 130 megabytes of storage, so plan your shooting accordingly. Now, head back to your camera app and slide over to the video section. You'll notice a new addition, the Vision Pro toggle. Activate it, and you're ready to start recording your very own spatial videos. And voila! You're all set to explore the world of spatial video. So go ahead, start capturing your world in a whole new dimension. Happy shooting! The iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max are more than just smartphones. They're gateways to a world of immersive experiences. The spatial video feature, now supported by iOS 17.2 Beta 2, offers groundbreaking video recording and viewing. It's all here at your fingertips, waiting to transform your world. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more insights into the latest tech. Thanks for watching. And until next time, keep exploring the future with Apple.